Wagwan, welcome to the channel. This video I will be showing you a full room tour for Riu Negril. Riu Negril was renovated and recently reopened in December of 2024. If you've seen one room category, you basically seen all the room categories are laid out the very same way. What's different is they now have the swim out rooms and you may have different views. Thank you so much for watching this video. So this is it for the room tour. Of course, we have a complete resort review coming up. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the video that is popping up on your screen for that video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any all-inclusive packages to Jamaica for the best rates, contact us at Go Easy Vacay Travel or the number on your screen. Until next time, walk good, love God, one love.